The goal of the resource page strategy is to get placements in websites listing top resources in your niche. For example, we can pitch our link building glossary to be included in websites listing link building resources such as this blog post on Neil Patel. Let's see how Respona can help you find these resource pages. In the first field, paste the URL of the page or resource that you want to promote. For us, that will be respona.com/glossary. Mention 3 to 5 keywords that are relevant to your resource, and you can use AI keyword suggestions to help come up with more and broaden the search. In this example, I can ask you to develop a list of general and broad terms related to link building. They will be used to set up your search and find relevant resource pages. Summarize your resource in a couple of sentences. For example, we've curated a comprehensive list of all link building terms with detailed descriptions and examples for each. This and the next field will be pulled into the email sequence. Now you need to lay out the incentives for your prospect to actually include you. Maybe you can offer to share their page on your social channels or feature them in a newsletter. In this case, we'll say that we'd love to reference our prospect's piece in the next guest article we're writing if they're so kind as to mention us. Once you click Use this template, you'll get into the campaign editor with your email sequence all ready to go. But before you move forward, take a moment to refine it or create a new one. For example, let's check our spam words, add an unsubscribe link, and change up the follow-up to about 5 days. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable. It will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign and increase your reply rates. Click on Next Step and review the content search automation, which is already preset to find resource pages built for your target keywords using advanced search operators. Respona will run several queries simultaneously, looking for all the most common resource page title variations to find as many results as possible. Next up, set up SEO filters to further narrow down the search. Click Continue again, and you'll see that the contact search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the content and SEO managers as well as other relevant decision makers of websites that you want to get links from. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around 5th grade and stick to short sentences with minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring every couple weeks or so. This will automatically rerun the search, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click on Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. But you don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed. Respona will send you an email when it's complete. When ready, you can move to the final step, review and launch. Here, you review your AI variables and, of course, make any manual edits that you deem necessary. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request on LinkedIn just to create another touchpoint and increase the chances of getting a reply, whether it be in your email or through LinkedIn. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses. And that is going to be the resource page strategy for you.